Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. Before proceed with the today's session, let's have a look at agenda of today's session. Let's start with the concept of concrete method and concrete class in Python. First we'll write method declaration, that is def display feature char with self parameter, and we'll write method definition, that is print function with string features of chair. Then it will become concrete method. Then we'll create one class named it chair. After creating a class, we'll write method definition and declaration. Then that class will become a concrete class. We'll see the definition of concrete method and concrete class. Any method which is having both declaration and definition is called as concrete method. And for concrete class, any class which is having only concrete method is called as concrete class. Next, we'll see the diagram for concrete method and concrete class. Here, def display feature char and print function is method declaration and method definition, which forms a concrete method. Then the class which contains this concrete method is called as concrete class, which I explained earlier. The method which is having only method declaration, that is def display feature char with self keyword and then no definition, that is, so I am giving here none, with a decorator, that is at abstract method, is called as abstract method. And then any class which is imported from ABC, that is abstract base class, from abstract base method is called as abstract class. Class char. Here ABC is abstract base class. Class char is inherited from the abstract base class, and then abstract method. This will become the abstract class. Next we'll see the definition of abstract method and abstract class. Any method which is declared with decorator, that is at abstract method with no definition, is called as abstract method. And for abstract class, any class which is imported from module ABC to ABC abstract method is called as abstract class. Then we'll see the diagram for this abstract method and abstract class. To form an abstract method, there should be a one decorator, that is at abstract method, and one declaration, that is def display feature char with no definition. Here char is the class which is inherited from the abstract base class and it is having a abstract method. Then it forms a abstract class. Some key points for abstract class and methods. The abstract class can consist of only abstract methods, or the abstract class can consist of both abstract methods or concrete method. All the abstract methods should be overridden in the subclass. We cannot create a object for abstract class. Abstract class should be changed to concrete class. Once the methods are overridden in the concrete class or subclass, then we can create an object. And then last is combining abstract class and concrete class in Python. First we'll create an abstract class by importing a module, that is from ABC import ABC abstract method, and we'll create a class char which is inherited from the abstract base class, that is ABC. We need to write ABC in char class. Then write abstract method with a decorator, that is at abstract method, and method declaration, that is def display feature char with self parameter without method definition, so I am writing here none. Then it will form a abstract class. Then we'll create an object for this abstract class. Char is equal to chair. And we'll run this code. And we are getting here error, that is type error. Can't instantiate abstract class chair with abstract method display feature chair. By observing this error, we can tell that we cannot create a object for abstract class. So we need to change abstract class to concrete class. For that, we'll create a class, named it folding chair, which inherits the chair class. Then write the method which is in chair class, that is def display feature chair with self parameter, and give new implementation or method definition, that is print with a string features of chair. Then create an object for this concrete class, that is folding chair is equal to folding chair. Through this object, call the methods, that is folding chair dot display feature chair, and run this code. Here we are getting output is features of chair. By observing that, we can tell that the abstract class should be changed into concrete class. Then only we can create an object for the concrete class. We can have multiple abstract methods in abstract class, but all the methods should be overridden in the concrete class. Let's see one more example in this diagram. A class is chair, which is inherited from the abstract base class, and it contains abstract method. Then it forms a abstract class. To change that abstract class into concrete class, one more class is created, that is office chair, which inherits the chair class. And there is a method which is overridden in the office chair class, that is features of chair, and then created an object for the concrete class. Through that object, we had called the concrete class. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding, happy learning.